Good morning, student. Our third method is digital elevation method or model. This is the most modern method. We have seen first one contour line method, second one is layer tinting method, and third one is digital elevation method or model. And the third one is most modern or latest method. In this, the information obtained through man-made satellites which revolves around our earth. They are taking the photographs and information from the various portion of the earth, and with this help of satellites this method is produced, is presented with the help of computers. See map C. In it, we can directly observe the differences in the height of the landforms. We can easily identify the difference in the heights and depth. Maps made using the above methods help us to understand the physical setup of a region, how the region is located, where it is located, and how it is located. In other words, they give us an idea of its height, relief, and slope. It gives us an idea about height, relief, and slope. Using computers, we can even find the height of each point on a digital map. We can find the height of each point with the help of this method. Physical maps can be used in military operation. See, military operations. Then tourism, drawing up a mountaineering routes in making a regional development plan. Suppose if you want to make a plan, that time you will take a need of a map. Basically, map is used for various purpose, and some of them are military operations, tourism, drawing up a mountaineering routes, and regional development. Many people use maps. Many components are shown in maps or outline. While using map, some components are outlined on the map. If these components are shown on the different map in different ways, it will be difficult to understand them. Therefore, standard signs and symbols are used to make map easy to read. Suppose I draw here one map and I draw here one map. But if I wrote here different things and different things, then it is difficult to identify the things. That's why to make the map standard, they use signs and symbols. Signs and symbols. What? To make the map easy for reading and understanding. These symbols are signs are universally used for specific components. So these are the universally accepted symbols. Suppose I want to show the water bodies, then the symbol of water bodies is same everywhere. It is same for India and same for USA. Okay? That each and every person in the world easily identified the thing. Blue color indicates water. If you go America, Australia, or any region of the world, you will find water bodies is indicated by the blue colors only. That is why everyone can understand them. and see what are the conventional signs and conventional symbols. Signs are used to show various things. What is this? Signs are used to show various things on a map as per convention. We are using sign to show various things, to show water, to show tree, to show route, railway track, etc. These are in the form of letters or geometrical shape. They may be letters or geometrical shape. For example, whale, railway track, this is symbol. PO, post office, what is this? This is a combination of letters. For example, line, circle, triangles, dot, etc. And conventional symbols? Symbols are used to show various things on a map. See, various things on a map as per convention. See the difference between these. Signs are used, symbols are used to show various things on a map as per convention. Means these things are same. Only one word is changing. Here is a sign and here is a symbols. And then letters and geometrical shape, and here is symbols are miniature drawing of respective object. For example, temple, mosque, fort. If I want to draw the temple or fort, obviously I will draw the exact symbol of that object. This is a conventional symbol. Sign may be a geometrical shape or it may be a combination of letter. The use of signs and symbols in map helps the reader to get exact information about the places on the map. A list of the things that the signs and symbol represent is given in the key to the map. Okay, and we will see later in our next video. Thank you.